What's going on, guys? Back at you with another one. Last video we said we got in the garage. Now we're getting started. We just ended up pulling a dry shaft out of it and the exhaust off of it, getting everything cleared up where we can got all the BS out of the way and looking at what we really need to do. We need to drop the gas tank, get the gas out of it, and figure out the fuel pump situation. And as soon as we got here, got underneath the car, we was like, crap, ain't no cross member.
We're missing a big part.
Yeah, exactly. We was like, okay, so we Houston went there and got the old GTO cross member, and we thought about using it. And we was like, and we looked on eBay and stuff like that, and man, they had a tubular cross member for like, what was it, like $91?
Yeah, something like that.
I had the money. I just said, you know, let's just go ahead and do the tubular style. At least it'd be a little bit lighter when we get the new cross member in. So, done away with the GTO, getting a new cross member, because this transmission on these Bel Airs, a lot of people might not know, but they got their own cross member that don't go all the way across. It's just got transmission mounts on each side. And so that won't work with a 350 turbo. So we're just going to have to get a turbo style cross member, and yeah, we'll be rock and rolling. And here in a few minutes, like I said, when we get down that gas tank situation, probably next time back up here, I'm going to rip the motor out of this thing. So that's it, brother.
Heck yeah, guys. Y'all hold on to your pants and we're going to get after it here.
Yeah, man.
Alrighty, guys, so we got the gas tank out of it. Actually, the gas tank in this car is in pretty good shape. I believe somebody has bought a new one along the lines here sometime or another. Because you look inside of it, I don't know if you guys can see or not, it's really nice, very clean. So this is the sending unit that this thing has in it, okay? And we got a problem. For EFI cars, when you do a return line, okay? And a lot of people, what you do is you just buy an EFI sending unit, okay? And it'll have two lines plugged into this part right here, and you'll still have your fuel level gauge and all that stuff, okay? The issue is the stuff that I'm finding online for a 55 Chevrolet gas tank really isn't the sizes that I'm looking for. So I'm still kind of looking around, see what we need to do, or we may end up having to modify this thing. I don't know just yet. So I'm still looking into it, trying to figure out what the deal is. And one nice thing, this thing has a drain plug. That's pretty nice right there. I wish all gas tanks in these old cars had that in it from the factory. But anyways, so it's a pretty cool tank. I just want to update you guys on what the situation is right there. Alrighty, guys, so back to the motor here. Now me and Jesse are working on getting the front motor mounts out of it. We'll get these things loosened up here, and then we'll get the cherry picker hooked up to this bad boy and see if we can get this old girl pulled out of the car here. So you guys sit back and enjoy. Alrighty, guys, we just got the cherry picker and stuff hooked up to the motor. It took us a minute to figure out how we're even gonna hook this thing up.
Yeah, man, we've never really pulled big sixes out like this, so it took a minute to look for some good points to put the chain on it.
It was weird. So our first whack at this, we're going to try and see if we can pull the motor and the transmission out at the same time. I hope that we can. I believe we can. It looks like that we can. So if we can't, you guys will get to see us take the transmission off and pull the motor too. Boy, that's going to be a whole lot of fun.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun.
No bueno. Anyway, so we're kind of here at a good spot here to where I just want to talk about where we're at. We've got the chain on it, we got the rag on it to keep from hurting the valve cover here, and I think it's time to pull this dude out. So, Jesse, you starting to itch at the finger for seeing that V8 go in this thing?
Dang right, man, that's killing me.
Alright, guys, y'all sit back and enjoy the show. golly, we got the daggum motor out of it. We made one heck of a mess too. So what I wanted to do here real quick was just show you guys where all the motor mounts are on this thing. You have one at the front right there, okay? It just has a nut on it that you need to take off. Another one on the passenger side right here, so you need to take off. And then on the transmission, you have 2 bolts right here and 2 bolts right here, okay? And then that takes the transmission bracket right off of it. And his was actually completely broke off on the car. I'll let you guys see him up here. Somebody was doing some hot dogging in this thing, and it being a 6-cylinder with a 1 barrel on it. Good Lord, look at that torque right there. Nah, it's just crudded up. But anyways, guys, we got the motor out. All right, guys and gals, looky here.
Yeah, man, got the hunk out.
You ain't a kidding, golly. And boy, did we make a mess.
Yeah, Lord have mercy. There's a lake of transmission fluid and antifreeze and all kinds of mess.
You ain't a kidding. Hey, I get a kind of little shine here how much cleaning we've had to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. So much fun. But anyways, guys, this is going to wrap it up for this episode. We got the engine out. I believe you have somebody lined up to buy the motor coming Monday, right?
Yeah, guy out of Kentucky supposed to. I posted up on the Facebook Market, and guy said I'll take it. He's got a 50, some guy, I guess a 54 Chevrolet he's wanting to put it in. So I said, all right, it'll be ready. Cool
deal. Well, guys, man, we're wrapping this deal up. I think it's a good checkpoint right here. In the next episode, we'll be cleaning the engine bay out.
Yeah.
This is going to be painting it up.
Yeah.
And once it gets done painting it, it's time to start mocking the motor up and that sort of thing.
Getting the motor mounts ready and get the drive shaft cut, and going to have the rear end on the way here soon. So hopefully that won't bog us down too bad. But got my headers in and everything now, so that's it, guys. But yeah. Y'all have a party on YouTube. Like and share, like and share, like and share, and we'll see you next go round.
That's right. Guys, we appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you are subscribed. We appreciate all the comments down below. It's a huge, huge help to us. And that's it, guys. We'll see y'all in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to go over to KillerMotorsports.com, where we've got all kinds of merch over there and all kinds of high performance products as well. And definitely a big shout out to our sponsors and partners. Till next time, you guys have a good one.